Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage rice at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh cabbage, your preferred type of rice, and a selection of aromatic spices. Make sure to chop your vegetables into small, manageable pieces for even cooking. Measuring your ingredients accurately ensures a perfectly balanced and tasty meal every time. Now, let's start cooking the cabbage. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your chopped cabbage. Sauté it gently, stirring occasionally until it softens and becomes tender. Don't forget to season the cabbage generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love to build a great flavor base. While your cabbage is cooking, prepare your rice. Cook it separately following the package instructions to ensure it's perfectly fluffy. Once both are ready, gently combine the cooked cabbage and rice in a large mixing bowl. Take care not to mash the ingredients. This is also a great time to stir in any additional seasonings or fresh herbs, like cilantro, to really elevate the dish's flavor profile. Finally, it's time to serve your homemade cabbage rice. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of freshness, garnish your dish with some chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or cilantro. This versatile dish can be enjoyed warm as a satisfying main course or as a flavorful side dish alongside your favorite protein. It's simple, delicious, and comforting. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic car air freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.